Our design begins with the last stage, which is the power stage. We use a common collector amplifier to achieve a gain of nearly unity. Since we know the maximum input and overall gain requirement, we can easily calculate the maximum output swing and start from there. For the second stage, we use a common emitter amplifier model in series with a buffer. We designed it to achieve a gain of 5. The load of the buffer is the input resistance of the power stage. We make sure the input resistance of this stage is large enough to enhance the connectivity of the circuit. Finally, the first stage is just a simple common emitter amplifier, which we designed it to achieve a gain of 5, so that the overall gain would be 25. Okay, here's the overall gain. As you can see from here, our overall gain is about 26. Now we modify our circuit to measure the gain of the first stage. Our first stage gave us a gain of about 3.9. Now we switch our circuit to measure the gain of the second stage. The second stage gave us a gain about 6.5. Now we switch our circuit again to measure the gain of the last stage, which should be about 1, which it is. Now we're showing the time domain waveform of our circuit output under the 20 mV input signal. As you can see, our circuit barely have noises, and the amplitude of the output is what we wanted. Now, let's play some music.
So, as we can see, we have the input going into here that then goes through that capacitor, goes through this wire, that goes through this transistor, and from that emitter of this transistor is the output of the first stage. The output then goes through this transistor, through this capacitor, that goes through this transistor, and goes through this wire to this transistor, which acts as a buffer to this common emitter amplifier. And that's the second stage. That then goes through this wire to the base of this transistor. And this is the power amplifier, which can handle quite a bit more power than the 3904, 3906, or 2222s. That then goes through this capacitor to this wire. That then goes through the speaker and gives off the nice music. Which, another 30 seconds. Perhaps bring it closer to show that it is coming from that speaker.
As you can hear, our amplifier gives quite a good quality of the sound, pretty much no noises. Our total distortion is about -50 dB or so. And our amplifier have very good linearity, as you all can see in the AC sweep that we showed before.